Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. Hey, wonders they say shall never end. About the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, a lot of this is just happening left, right, middle, and corner. People normally bring out any information or anything about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, especially if they are looking for one seat or the other in the government sector. They will just come and say, oh, Tinubu, you will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released so day. Bra, bra, bra. See, right now, if anybody come out and say, oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released so day, we are fighting for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We are working hard to make sure Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released. But do you know that a lot of people has come this way? If you really want to hear about people that are bragging about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that was the first time. Go and ask about Governor Soludo. Governor Soludo really trade with the name of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to an extent that during his manifesto, he come out and say, I will handle the case of IPOP like this. I will do this, I will do that. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released. The next court date, blah, blah, blah. What about Patrick? What about so many of them? What did they say? In fact, some persons even went far to Abuja during one of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court hearing. The person was just displaying, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released, blah, blah, blah. But do you know the funniest thing? After obtaining that particular position that they are looking for, all of a sudden you will not hear anything about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu anymore. All of a sudden people will be doing things that they are doing before. In fact, people will start going back to what they are doing before. They don't even care anymore. So for this reason, a lot of people are now wise. So whenever election is coming and they are trying to start, oh, we are going to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, even President Bola Ahmed Tinubu during his manifesto, he say, oh, he will do this and that to the southeast, he will do this and that to these people, he will do that, he will do this. Oh, it's not like President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, but do you forget that these people, they are working together? And what happened after all the hopeless hope? In fact, there's one time he visited southeastern part of Nigeria. He made a lot of vows, and the Johannes the Digbo and so many other people, they really fought for the trick. And what happened after his position, taking the seat? What is going on right now? The same thing. It's just like these people, they don't really care. So a lot of people has witnessed this particular aspect of politicians in Nigeria, that they are just using Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You know, when they call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu like that, people want to say, oh, we are giving them the position, we are going to cast their vote, we are going to give them the position so that they can release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and all that. Right now, the funnest part and the funnest issue is that the deputy speaker, which is Benjamin Kalu, as you can see him here, he said, oh, sit at home would lead to the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And he also said that the southeastern part of Nigeria must achieve peace, security before demanding Kanu's release. This is the same deputy speaker. He is a person of Benjamin Kalu. He has been saying a lot of things recently about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, saying that before they will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the southeast must be calm. Before they will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, there must be peace in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Before they will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, sit at home must stop. Blah, blah, blah. But do you really think that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, if he's not released, you are going to get the peace that you need? See, I don't really know who is advising these people, but the bottom line is, if you really want to abstain for this peace, if you really want to achieve this peace, if you really need this peace, I think the first thing for you to do is the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Do you know how people really hope to get Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, to celebrate the Christmas with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? How wish Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was released. In fact, it would have been a different thing entirely. Do you know that people will not even agree to listen to this type of dialogue, saying that there should be peace first before the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Now, do you really think that is because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that makes there not to be peace in southeastern part of Nigeria? Do you know how many people has hijacked this situation, using it for their own selfish benefit, or the name of, if you did not release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they are doing a lot of illegal things there, of which a lot has been caught when they know that, oh, these persons, they are one of vigilante, they are this, they are that. They are just using the IPOB, they are just using the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to say, this thing we are doing it because they don't release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, or because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is why these people are doing that. This thing has been in existence. This insecurity has been in existence before the arrest of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why did I say so? Because if you notice, there is a reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu choose to launch the Eastern Security Network. If the southeastern part of Nigeria is as peaceful as they are saying that before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the southeast is so peaceful, then why did he launch the Eastern Security Network? People has been complaining. A lot of things has been going on. This has led to the reason why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said, no, I have to protect my people. Hence, he launched the Eastern Security Network. So now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should remain there until you achieve your peace. I'm sure this will not, they don't want to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But definitely Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released, because if you say that you want peace in the southeastern part of Nigeria before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released, that means there is more to it. There is more to it. Before achieving the desirable result, at least you still need to fall back to the demand of the people. They have said you should release the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Simply release the man you are holding to achieve your peace. You are expecting peace and you don't really want to do the needful. And as we are saying this and responding to him, the Biafra Prime Minister, which is Simon Ekpa, also make it clear that he is going to respond to this person, that they should tell the Benjamin Kanu that if he speak nonsense again, that if he speak nonsense again, he will be banned from going to his village, and he will never enter his village until he declared Biafra. He said, who told Benjamin Kanu that it is only to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu we are sitting at home for? You don't represent anybody in Biafra land. If you think we are joking, say anything again that Biafra, about Biafra, then you will see. See this one. So what he's trying to say in essence is that the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a top priority to everything right now. But the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu does not mean that they will not continue seeking for the nation of Biafra. This is according to the Biafra Prime Minister right now. He is responding to the Deputy Speaker, telling him that if they release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is better, but they are not sitting at home because of only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They are also sitting at home because they want Biafra. So this is so clear that they are not only saying they should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they also need a date for referendum. They want Biafra. They want to go, that they are tired of being in Nigeria. So I don't really know if somebody is understanding it, because the Deputy Speaker said when you are telling people to sit at home, that sit at home will never make the federal government of Nigeria to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That in fact, sitting at home is even worsening the situation. And he also said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, before Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released, there must be peace in southeastern part of Nigeria. So I have brought this issue before you. Do well to drop your own opinion also in the comment section. What do you think about the 2 points or the basic point that the Deputy Speaker have said about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Does that mean that they don't really want to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? So if there is no peace in southeastern part of Nigeria, they will not release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Is that what they are saying? So how can you achieve this peace right now? Please, I am still learning. Do what to drop your opinion in the comment section. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I will keep giving you all the updates back to back. Please do what to share this video. Thank you and bye-bye.